가자 끝을 기다리는 시작으로 On my way 모두 발을 맞추고 On my way 하나 둘 하면 뛰어 On my way 없는 길도 만들어 어서 가자 끝을 기다리는 시작으로 Ran out for lecture 수차고 달려 내가
Hey guys, it's Rina. So this is a workshop video of Wonderland by ATEEZ that we went through on Tuesday and Thursday in my K-pop workshop in Arizona. In our Facebook group, I asked everyone which song you guys want to do in January, and this song was the most requested song. It was actually quite fast choreography than I expected, even though they have only 4/8 counts. So on Tuesday, we tried to get to know and touch with the steps in the choreography, and on Thursday, we did again the same part, same chorus part, and we cleaned up. It was much better than Tuesday. Everyone did awesome. If you want to learn the choreography, I have a tutorial video, so make sure to scroll down, find the URL, and let's dance together. Alright, have fun watching our dance cover, and please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and hope to see you guys next week. Bye!
On